to get to the sea and build a ship and go ahead and take over Mexico and cut everybody head who is going to stand in front of me. And then we're gonna go ahead, be the biggest country in America. And that's when I'm gonna change my hat and I am gonna